If I can do this, you can do it too. I'm at a point in my career where I'm making six figures. I've been doing it so long, it's not like a big deal anymore. What's amazing is after you make a certain amount, you can invest, you can do real estate, you can start businesses. You have this extra cash if you manage it right, where you can do these other things and you have more options. That's the beauty of it. If someone like myself can do this, you can do it too. I have a very humble beginning. I was born from a single mother home with 4 kids. We had no money. My mom was working 2 jobs. We were on welfare for some time, getting government cheese. I remember we had to warm up our house by opening up the oven. We had to eat fried bologna. That was like a delicacy. We were eating beans and rice every day. I come from poverty. I am from the hood. Like, I saw people die. I'm from the 1980s Bay Area hood. It was really bad. If I can do it, you can do it too. Just hang in there. Whatever career path, it doesn't have to be IT or cybersecurity or anything like that. Whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. And I did it by just grinding, hustling, finding a way. With no mentors. I had no mentors. Whatever it is you want to do, whether it's real estate, whether it's stock market, whether it's investing, cryptocurrency, starting your own business, getting into IT, whatever it is, you can do it, because I did it. I did it from nothing. But you got to be a self-starter. You got to take action. You know how many talented people I've met in my life? Brilliant geniuses, like from every echelon of society. I've met geniuses who could do math, any kind of math off the top of their head. I've met geniuses who are really good at fixing things, polymaths who are geniuses in several things. I've met people who are talented at singing, dancing, people who could be models, naturally talented at basketball, at engineering, you name it. I've met every part. Rich people who are like this and poor people who are like this. And you know what I've learned from all the talented, incredible people that I've met along the way? It doesn't matter how talented you are. What matters is if you take action or not. Do you know how many talented people I've met in IT? How many brilliant people I've met in IT? It doesn't matter. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how smart you are. It matters if you're willing to take action right now. More than anything, are you willing to take action? Are you willing to take this first step forward? Are you willing to take a risk and fail forward? Because you will fail, but you got to keep getting up and keep going forward. Whatever you're trying to do, just take the first step forward.